Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create ringtones on iTunes for free. First you have to do is open up iTunes, then right click on the song, click get info, then choose options, tick start time, tick stop time, and then select when you want the song to start. So I'm going to say 20 seconds into the song, and it has to stop exactly 30 seconds after, so 50. Press OK, right click, create AAC version. Once you hear that sound, that's done. Then right click on the converted song, then click show in Windows Explorer. Here's your song. Now you have to rename it to .m4r, not m4a. You should be able to do that on Windows Vista. If you cannot do that on Windows XP, you have to select Start, Control Panel, Appearance and Themes, Folder Options, View, and make sure that Hide Extensions for Known File Types is unticked. Then select OK, and then you should be able to change that to .m4r. Once you've done that, select ringtones, and then just drag and drop, and there it is. Okay, and yeah, that's it.